Hello, everybody. Today is Sunday, May 7th, 8:28 p.m. Today, I'm going to be playing Risk of Rain 2, a game that I'm much better at than Gungeon. I needed a little bit of an ego boost, so I decided to play this. Um, don't mind loading. Oh, don't mind it. It's fine. So as you can see, I am playing a modded version, but the only things that I have are these. Actually, I could probably look for more stuff. What is it? Thunder or something? Thunder, yeah, Thunder. So yeah, I just have skins. So let's see if there's any more loader skins. Loader. Grease monkey skin. Download with dependencies. I'm just gonna get a bunch of skins. Yeah. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Okay, I can't actually show that one. Oh, this is if you see the screen like blur or sudden jump cut, you know exactly why. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Trans. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Cargo transfer. They all just. Whoa. Oh, Senator Armstrong. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, oh, oh my god. Oh. What the? That was just stupid. Spider-Gwen. Spider-Man. Oh, okay. It's just their normal models with the big arms. Actually, that was kind of nice. I like that one. As you can tell, I have a lot of them now. I can't show that. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh no. Oh, I got so many loader skins. You go back over here to DK. Okay. So do Artifact of Command. Oh. Oh, come on out, DK. I promise I'm good at this game. Look, it's just been a while. That is genuinely the problem. The reason why I really like doubled people and half health is just because of the main red item that I get whenever I'm loader. It's the it's like the snowflake one. Or whenever you attack someone, it basically does a mega fuck ton amount of damage to anyone around you. But all you have to do to activate it is kill someone. So, you know, as soon as I kill someone, it just sets off a chain reaction of constant killing, and it's awesome. Let's see how fast these guys die. Okay, I'm good, I promise I'm good. Did my game crash? What happened? OBS? Okay, OBS is fine. I'm just that good, I guess, that the game couldn't handle me. Okay. Okay, don't mind how close I was to death there. That's, lag. Actually really happy I'm getting into, recording again. This is the 4th recording that I've made. Actually, this video should be going out on, what is it, the 10th? Yeah. This one would be coming out around the 10th. Should be. Oh my god. Oh, that was satisfying. Oh, and I got a red item. Oh, and it's so... That's so nice. Oh, it's Desklet. Give me that Desklet. Yeah. I love Desklet so much. I'm not sure if I want to go with like a different soundtrack for this video. So I have the basic like Mario songs. But also I'm not really too sure. Also on the video with my friend, apparently Mr. Biggie Cheese is actually a copyrighted song. It was put under fair use though by YouTube, thankfully. It's still considered copyrighted, even though all the other songs that, like, you know, Nintendo being like overlords over anything that they own. Fucking kid with cancer gets a Mario balloon to sue the kid now. This is why I love Loader, because like in a sudden instant he could just kill or she can kill everything. I guess in this instance it would be a he because of Donkey Kong. Oh yeah, I love this guy. Ooh. Get out of my way. Right. Thank you. And now it's time for the sponsored part of the video. Ever heard of bread before? No? How have you not heard of bread before? You know what? You disgust me. Get out of here. Go. Go back to your video. Get the hell out of here. I don't want to see you again. Look how awkward he is, too. Also, just to note, I'm on the 3rd stage, and I'm already on very hard. If I am correct, I'm going incredibly slow. Also, I don't care what anyone says, I will call the item by what color they are. Or at least what rarity they are. I'm not gonna say legendary, or like rare, or common, or uncommon, or eat my balls. I don't care. You got white or gray, green, yellow, red, orange. I spawn killed them, Jesus. I love just being able to kill an entire group of them all at once. I have to find the portal. Should always be pretty easy. In this instance, very big should, because I'm not able to find it. Because it only has like a bunch of like red shit around it. Like going to it. Oh, it's right here. Oh, weird. Not as much. Oh yeah, I don't like you much. Yeah, that's why. It fucking hurts balls. And that is when I go and I leave and I fuck. It's fine. It's because of DK. Let's be honest, okay? Okay, so after sleeping, I am ready to come back. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah. You know what? Oh my god, why'd you give me a green item? This is like the one time that I didn't want a pretty fucking green item. You, yoink, run. We're all good. Don't mind how they're. Oh, you get out of here. Oh my god, I genuinely hate these guys. Okay, I'm good. I'm think good now. I'm definitely very much good now. Bitch. Oh, I thought one of them weren't dead yet. Ooh, yellow item. I forgot which ones were actually good. I think this one's pretty good. Give me that one level where you have to like crush the eggs to get enemy. If you beat that enemy, you will get a red item. I really like that freaking map. Just because it is a guarantee, or pretty much guaranteed a red item as long as you can live. Can't let any of them survive. Okay, we gotta go. We get gasoline because the jar guy and gasoline are really good together. Like, I mean, like, super freaking good together. Now that's starting to get bustling fungus. If I get enough of that, then I'll be good. Because then if I get really hurt, then I can just run away, find a spot, and then, like, sit there for, like, 5-10 seconds, and then be, like, almost all the way healed up. I really like busting fungus. That was a call from my mum. Yeah, please do give me constructive criticism in the comments. Or just criticism in general. Oh, yes. Don't mind the sound that I'm making. But see, this is just what I love. Because you attack one guy and then you got this. And like... boom. snowflake thing is awesome. I forgot what it's called. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, I don't like you guys that much. Though I do like it when you like drag me in. Oh no, oh no, oh no. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Hell no. Tell me what the fuck that was. Also, tell me some games that I should try and play. Because I can already kind of tell that I don't think I'm gonna make another video of this unless it gets, like, it's received well. Or at least well for a small YouTube channel standards. Or at least solo. I might play this with my friends whenever we do play. I'll probably record it. Welcome back to the ad break. You ever heard of air before? What? You haven't? How have you never heard of air? You breathe it every single day. How have you not heard of it? Just get the fuck out of here. I don't want to see you ever again, okay? If I see you again, there will be consequences, okay? Get out of here. Go. No, go. I don't want to see you ever again. Okay. Oh, I don't like that guy very much. Never mind, he doesn't like me, apparently. I swear I'm not playing with, like, any sort of, like, damage multiplier mods. I swear to God. This is just broken. Yeah. Yeah, like, you see these egg things? You get rid of enough of those. Forget how many. I think it's maybe 5. At 4 you get a message thing like whirlwinds or whirling or something, I don't know. What? Oh. Nope. Nope. Yeah, see, it says you hear this whirling. This is the last one. Boom. Oh crap. Oh crap, wait. Come on, controller. Not right now. Are you kidding me? Hold on. Did my controller really just disconnect? Yeah, it did. Okay then. Well, looks like you're going on keyboard and mouse, which, I don't exactly remember the controls. That's fun. Oh, and it's still putting in the inputs from the controller, which is just, awesome. Did I really just lose this run because my controller's stupid? We're good. We're good. Okay, let me get out of here for a second. Okay. I can't believe I actually just did that. I guess you. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna see if I can reconnect my controller. Are we good now? Oh, we're good. Oh, okay. We're back. Of course it's you guys again. Why is there 4 of you? I don't think I got the, that thing. Never mind, doesn't really matter. They're all dead. Okay. Let's go into the, oh yeah, this place. Oh yeah, I forgot about these guys. Okay, come on, we got this. We got this. Nope. You're not losing me that easily. Why is there so many? Which one do I kill? You. Welcome back to another ad break. Wait. I thought I told you not to come back here. I thought I told you that if you came back here, bad things would happen. You don't know what bread is and you don't know what air is. I can't sell anything to you. Get out of here. No, go. Now. Fine, you forced my hand. I'm sorry. I had to. You don't know what air is. Loser. Actually, it's not even me getting to the moon. Cause I still die here a lot. The main problem is, whoa. The main problem is the little pillar things you have to do. Nothing. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? In 1975, I walked Bob Dylan up on stage. Who are you? Who are you? Dude, poor guy. He was just practicing his trumpet in public. What? Like, he was just practicing in public. This elite, this absolute elite Chad that walked Bob Dylan up on stage. Just had a bad day, you know? He's been practicing his instrument all his life. Get out of here. No. No. Oh. Beep, beep, beep. Gmod death sound. Oh, okay. Thank you for watching. Did you know I walked Bob Dylan up on stage in 1975? Who are you, huh? Who are you, huh? If you have walked Bob Dylan up on stage before, subscribe. Exactly. That's how you don't get subscribers.